7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy, man.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to unbox the Blackview A60. So Blackview A60, so I just received this today from the internet. Bought this on AliExpress. I'm gonna put some links down on the description, and I received it unsealed, unopened, so I'm going to unbox it. So yeah, okay, so we have the blue color. Let me just remove the case. This case was pre-installed on the smartphone. Yeah, so we got the user manual and the charging cable, standard micro USB charging cable, and a Blackview charging brick. So yeah, I just put everything back to the box, and just so obviously we can remove. Let me just grab a tool. Yeah, also I've lowered down the music volume. I just grab this tool, and by this tool I can just remove the back cover. This is plastic. I mean, for its price, it's plastic, but has a big battery of 4080 milliamps. So let me just remove the sticker. Yeah. So we have inside here, I forgot, we have two SIM card slots and the micro SD card slot. So let's put this thing back together. Yeah, so we have the volume buttons here and the power button. We have the micro USB port here. We have the microphone and the headphone jack. Let's see if this device has some power. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this device, I don't want to lie guys, it feels cheap, but if a device can get the job done at this price point, I mean, this is a win. While this is turning on, look, we have a dual camera setup on the back, 16 megabytes of ROM and 1 gigabyte of RAM, and the big battery. Battery is the biggest thing here. So let me just skip everything and go. Whoa, surprisingly this is a 100% battery, even though I paid this before like a month or so, because this was late on arrival, and battery is still 100%. Yes, so I mean, it's a bit thick, but I think it's because of its battery. So yeah, it has a like a teardrop camera. Yeah, but we can see the chin here, and it's not bezel-less. The bezels are quite obvious, but first look, I think we have Android Go here. Yeah, about A60. Yeah, Android version, Android Go. So yeah, Android 8 or 8.1 or Android Oreo. So I mean, it's, say, looks fast, but later on through the comments I will let everyone know what this device can do. But starting, I mean, first feel, it's nice, it's okay though. I would recommend you buying this device if it's for a kid, or let's say for an old person. Yeah, you can use WhatsApp here, social networks like Facebook Lite and stuff like that. So yeah, see, from 16 gigabytes of memory we have 3.6, let's say 3.6 gigabytes occupied. So yeah, I'm closing the video now with the hope that I have informed you about this phone, and I will see you on the next one. So until then, peace.